Unlocking Comma Mysteries. Decoding Dependent Clauses. Hello there, language learners. Today, we're delving into an integral aspect of English grammar: punctuating complex sentences. Specifically, we will focus on a very interesting and often misunderstood topic: using commas with dependent clauses. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently place commas where they belong and enhance the readability of your sentences. First things first, let's clarify what a dependent clause is. It's a group of words with a subject and a verb, but it does not express a complete thought. Therefore, it cannot stand alone as a sentence. Here's an example: because it was raining. If we read this alone, it raises the question, what happened because it was raining? We're left hanging, thus making it a dependent clause. When it comes to punctuating complex sentences with dependent clauses, the placement of the comma often depends on the position of the dependent clause in the sentence. Here are the two main scenarios. Scenario 1. Dependent clause at the beginning. When the dependent clause comes before the main clause, we use a comma to separate them. For instance, because it was raining, we decided to stay at home. The comma after raining provides a pause before we move on to the main idea. Scenario 2. Dependent clause at the end. However, when the dependent clause is after the main clause, we generally do not use a comma. For instance, we decided to stay at home because it was raining. Here, the sentence flows smoothly without a pause. Remember, English is a language full of exceptions and nuances. There might be times when a comma is needed between a main clause and a trailing dependent clause for the sake of clarity or emphasis. Consider this: I saw a man on the hill with a telescope. Without a comma, it can be ambiguous. But with proper comma usage, I saw a man on the hill with a telescope. The comma clarifies that you were using the telescope, not the man on the hill. Well, there you have it. Now, you should be better equipped to handle commas with dependent clauses. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try creating your own complex sentences and see if you can properly place commas. Until next time, happy learning, and remember, every comma counts.